Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Question 1. Ask axis. So we have the graph should be like this. So we know that they start at s equal to number 1 and number 2. So the area we need to concentrate, that's about this one. So this one they rotate about s axis. So we have number 1, number 2. So about question 8, we have volume equals to B, and we have the integration from number 1 to number 2. So we have the function in here. We see that they have the bound between the curve and s-axis. S-axis, that's about y equal to number 0. So that means we got about the function in here. Because the curve is upon the line, so you got about 2 multiplied by s squared plus 1. Everything to the power of 2 minus 0 square in here. So we need to simplify this one. And you will got about 4s squared plus 1 everything to the power of 2 ds. So I will put number 4 outside. And you got about 4b. And we have the integral from number 1 to number 2. This one we need to expand, and you got about s to the power of 4 plus 2s squared plus 1 ds. And now we got the final answer. That's about s to the power of 5 over 5 plus 2s to the power of 3 over 3. And number 1, that's about s. So we have the bounds from 1 to number 2. And we put number 2 going here. Number 1 going here. We calculate about this one. You will got about 712 over 15 b. And this is the answer for question A. Now let's go to question B. Question B, they rotate about y-axis. So we have this area in here, and they rotate on y-axis. So in this situation, we can use about this formula in here, and we got about 2b, and we have the integration from number 1 to number 2, and we have s, and we have the function we put in here. Minus 0 0, that's about y equal to number 0. And we go about the s. So we put this one in here. So s will multiply by s square and number 1, and you go about to s to the power of 3 plus s ds. So number 2 we put outside, and you go about 4b, and we have the integration from number 1 to number 2. And we got the final answer. So we put number 2 and number 1. And we got the final answer. That's about 21b. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.